Today, we're managing a high-tier iPhone 15 Plus that's currently locked to its previous owner. As you can see on the 3U Tools dashboard, the activation status is a definitive no. It's a restricted device, but by the end of this guide, we're going to have it fully operational with working 5G, Face ID, and iCloud services. We aren't just hiding a lock screen today. We are performing a professional-grade restoration using the 2026 GSM-G Tools protocol. Step 1 is all about diagnostics and preparation. We need to head over to the official GSM Germany portal. Before we touch any software, we have to look at the two primary ways to handle a 15 series device in 2026. If your device is on the latest iOS 26.2, your most reliable path is the official server method. By using the advanced GSX IMEI check on the site, you can pull the original purchase metadata and generate a professional purchase invoice to submit directly to Apple support. It's a clean, factory-side solution. However, for those on supported versions like 26.1 who want an instant result, we use the iRemoval GSMG Pro tool. This brings us to the most critical part of the tutorial, device registration. Navigate to the registration section on the website and submit your IMEI. This isn't just a formality. It whitelists your hardware on the global bypass servers. This registration creates a persistent digital fingerprint that allows the device to pass activation checks even after a reboot. Without this step, the tool will never authorize the handshake. I've already authorized this iPhone 15 Plus, so let's move to the execution. I'm opening the iRemoval GSMG Pro tool now. You can see it recognizes our registered hardware immediately. I'll go ahead and click Activate, and while that progress bar moves, I want to take you through a deep technical breakdown of why this method is the industry standard for 2026. We are working with the A16 Bionic architecture here. In the past, you could just skip a setup menu, but Apple's modern security is far more proactive. The device uses the Secure Enclave Processor, or SEP, to act as an encrypted vault for activation tokens. Furthermore, the neural engine now performs real-time integrity scans. If the system detects a standard low-level bypass, the AI flags the inconsistency and relocks the phone within minutes. What's happening right now is a kernel-level memory injection. Through our specialized partnership, this tool communicates directly with the SEP during the boot sequence to inject spoofed activation tokens. These tokens are digitally signed to mimic an official Apple GSX authorization. We are essentially recalibrating the device's internal security logs, so the hardware itself believes the activation has already been cleared by a retail server. A major pain point with older bypasses was the loss of cellular signal. Most tools cannot handle the encrypted handshakes required for 5G towers. However, our process includes a baseband handshake reconstruction. We are patching the root partition so that the baseband accepts new tokens as legitimate. This is the difference between having a Wi-Fi-only tablet and a fully functional iPhone 15 Plus. We are rebuilding the communication path between your SIM card and the network provider at a hardware level. This is a permanent, non-tethered solution. Because the modification is written into the root level of the firmware, the activation status remains stable. We are providing a level of integration that standard tools simply cannot match, creating a new identity for the device within the global GSM infrastructure. We are moving through the final stages of the synchronization now, where the tool finalizes the patch on the device's persistent memory and enables the cellular radio.
communication path between your SIM card and the local towers. Most bypasses kill your signal because they can't handle the encrypted tokens required for 5G. But because we've injected our code into the root of the firmware, the baseband accepts the new tokens as legitimate. You are watching a real-time rewrite of the device's activation status. Notice how the status bar on the phone is reacting. It's transitioning from a restricted state to a fully authorized factory state. The tool is now communicating with our servers and the modified firmware on your phone. It's finalizing the bypass and enabling the cellular radio.
The tool has signaled a successful activation. Let's watch the iPhone 15 Plus as it completes the reboot cycle. Notice how it jumps straight past the activation layer and directly into the primary configuration menu. There is no locked to owner prompt, no delay, just a clean entry into the OS. As we navigate to the home screen, let's verify the vitals. Face ID is fully operational, the 5G signal is locked in, and I'm going into settings to log in with a brand new iCloud account. As you can see, these servers accept the credentials immediately. Every trace of the previous restriction is gone, leaving the hardware 100% factory clean and ready for daily use. This is the standard of excellence provided by the 2026 GSMG Tools method. If this step-by-step guide was helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button to support our research. If you have questions about the IMEI check or the registration process, join our professional community on Telegram via the link in the description for 24/7 support. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fully restored iPhone.